Joint Action Committee Against the Murder of N. Baby Sana organizes public meeting across the state today. Massive sit-in protest is also underway in different parts of the state against the mysterious death of N. Baby Sana. MLA of Nambol constituency N. Loken today unveiled the foundation stone of state government's school Bhagathansi mission at Laimapokpam Public School, Nambol. The mission has been initiated by the BJP-led state government in an effort to bring quality education in government schools across the state. Blockade on Yaripongarian Road Strait in Andhra constituency has been suspended today following an agreement was reached between the agitators and officials of Public Works Department. As per reports, the authority concerned has assured the agitating residents that restoration work on the road will begin from August 19. Decrying state government's alleged negligence towards predominantly Marine populated Koitam village under Machi block of Technopal district, the village authority committee has warned of a series of agitations if the authority concerned chooses to turn a deaf ear to the issue. An NSCNIM Major Totse Yatho was allegedly gunned down by two unidentified masked gunmen last evening at his Dimapur residence, Nagaland. According to a report, the gunmen also fired at Totse Yatho's wife, however she escaped unhurt. A joint team of NIA and local MI unit in Nagaland arrested a self-styled lieutenant of the militant group NSCNIM, Yangte Josaham, for his alleged involvement in the killing of Khonsa West MLA Tirong Abo and 10 others. Yangte Josaham, a self-styled lieutenant of NSCNIM and area commander of the outfit in Arunachal Pradesh Longding district. He was arrested from Dimapur in Nagaland yesterday. Sitting MLA and NPP Assembly poll candidate Tirong Abo and 10 others were shot dead in Tirap district of Arunachal Pradesh on May 21. Assam's Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal will inaugurate the Gana Shilpa Khagen Mahanta Udyan Park at Srimanta Shankaradeva Kalakshetra in Guwahati this evening. The park would be inaugurated in the memory of the late eminent Assamese singer on the occasion of his 77th birth anniversary.